Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be repairing or replacing a windshield sprayer on this 2010 Ford Mustang. I'm hoping we can finish this before it starts to rain. Now, this parts that I bought, I found it on Amazon, and you can also buy them from eBay. You just need the correct part number. So the first thing we're gonna do is poke the hole with a safety pin to see if there's something clogging up the windshield washer. Now let's try the washer again. Still not working. To access the windshield spray, we need to take out this heat shield under the hood. So let's use our panel removal tool to take out the clips that hold the heat shield in place. So here is the windshield washer, and it seems like it's actually loose. Oh, it's broken in the end. Let me bring you closer. So it seems like the windshield washer actually broke at the end. So we will be replacing the whole unit, which we were planning on doing anyway. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the broken one, this one, and the new one that we will be using. Looking at the new one compared to the old one right now connected, it looks like we need to press down here to release it and to take it out forward. So I'm gonna figure out how to press that here and we can push it forward. It's almost impossible to reach that part since the angle on how it is connected is kind of a challenge. So what we need to do is press that very small thing in front to release this and drop it down. So we're just gonna see if I can have enough space to do this. case. And there you go. So this is what we needed to press and pull it down and pull it out. Now to remove the other end of the hose, you just open this clip with your hands. Be careful. And when you open it, it should release the hose. There you go. And let's put in the new one. Actually, before we put it in, let's test it first. So clip it in and make sure it works, because I don't want to install something that's not working.
Yes.
Okay, now that we know that it works, let's install it. Let's slide the new washer in. Make sure that the washer's locking tab locks in place. Connect the windshield washer hose. Let's do a final test before we put everything back together. It seems like we need to adjust it first. Let's see if we can adjust it by just moving the nozzle. So something I learned new today. You can actually adjust the nozzle just by pressing it up or pressing it down, depending on how you want it to be pointed at. So I pointed up a little bit up, so it would be a little higher. Okay, let's try it one more time. There you go.
Yes. Yes.
Yay! Now let's put back the heat shield back in place. Make sure you slide the heat shield on those two tabs under the hood. Once the tabs are aligned, start putting the clips on. Rain or shine, that is how you replace a windshield sprayer on a 2010 Ford Mustang. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arja, and thank you for watching.